Is the crypto bull market over? I will show you some very important on-chain data, and after this you will have a much clearer picture of what is going on at the moment. And of course we will also talk about this important chart pattern here. So let's talk about the MVRV. That means market value versus realized value. And as you can see here, this blue line here is going down. What does it mean? That fewer and fewer people who bought Bitcoins are in a profit right now. As you can see, it's going down because many people bought on the pump and when the price was going up, and as you can see, and you know, the price was going down the last couple of weeks, so less people are in a profit, so they are not really incentivized to sell their Bitcoins right now. This is also very important, or the most important on-chain data, because this is the amount of Bitcoins on exchanges at the moment. And as you can see here, it has been going down the last couple of months. So this is basically a good sign, because when would people put their Bitcoins on the exchanges? They would do this if they want to sell their Bitcoins. But as you can see, there are at the moment not sending them because it's quite low, the amount of Bitcoins at the exchanges. A big red flag would be if this number goes up, then of course people have the idea to sell their Bitcoins. Here you can see the liquidation heat map. As you know, the market makers always try to grab the liquidity of the traders, and at the moment they have no real reason to push the price even lower, because the only liquidity they can grab right now is at around 112k. So this is a quite bullish sign. The market makers will most likely try to push the price higher. Here let's have a look at the liquidation heat map. As you can see here, $1.66 billion got wiped out of the market in the last 24 hours. So now we talk about this chart. As you can see here, we broke down out of this triangle pattern, and the breakdown target is at 88k. Of course, we have some levels of support, so it's not guaranteed that we would go so low. The big red flag would be if we break down, really a confirmed breakdown out of this red pattern here, yeah, then because we could go really low, because this pattern, yeah, this red line here has been acting as support since 40k. So this would be really, really bad, because if this would be a confirmed breakdown, let's say we go down, go up, confirm this previous support as resistance, and if you go down lower, then it could get really, really bad for Bitcoin, and we could see really low prices. That's what's going on. Subscribe for more.